Hi everyone, I am JULKA. Today in definite integral part 1, we'll talk about how to use lower limit and the upper limit in the question of integration. If integration of small fx is capital Fx, lower limit is given a and the upper limit is given b. So after integration, we'll put upper limit minus lower limit and we'll get fb minus fa. We can explain with the help of an example. Integrate 1 by x respect to x, lower limit is minus 3 and the upper limit is 5. Integration of 1 by x is log mod x. Put upper limit and lower limit, log 5 minus log 3, because log in mod, so we'll get log mod minus 3 equals to log 3 and the answer is log 5 by 3. Next example, x dx divided by x square plus 1, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2. In this question, derivative denominator is 2x, so divide by 2 and multiply by 2. So the answer is half log in mod x square plus 1 and the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 2. After putting limit, we'll get half log 5 minus log 1. Log 1 is 0, so the answer is half log 5. Or we can solve the same question by substitution method. We'll put x square plus 1 equals to t. Differentiate respect to x both sides and we will get 2x equals to dt by dx. Replace x dx by half dt and x square plus 1 by t. So whenever I put, we change the limit. When x is 0, then the value of t is 0 plus 1 is 1. When x is 2, the value of t is 2 square plus 1 is 5. So the lower limit is 1 and the upper limit is 5. And after solving, we'll get the same answer, half log 5. So remember that whenever we put t, always change the limit. Next example, integrate cos 5 raised to power 5 root sine 5 respect to 5, limit 0 to pi by 2. First of all, here we will break cos raised to power 5. We can write this way, cos square 5 whole square into root sine 5 into cos 5. Now cos square 5 equals to 1 minus sine square 5. Now in this question, we will put sine 5 equals to t and change limits accordingly. Put sine phi equals to t, so derivative respect to phi is cos phi equals to dt by d5. So cos phi d5 replaced by dt and sine phi replaced by t. Now when phi is 0, t is 0. When phi is pi by 2, sine pi by 2 is 1. So t is 1. Replace limits and after simplification we'll get 1 plus t raised to power 4 minus 2t square into root t dt. After simplification and integrating, we'll get answer 2t raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3 plus 2 into t raised to power 11 by 2 upon 11 minus 4t raised to power 7 by 2 upon 7. Limit is 0 to 1. Now after putting upper and the lower limit, we'll get answer 64 by 231. Next example, integrate e raised to power x minus 2 respect to x, where lower limit is 2 and the upper limit is 3. Integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. So answer is e raised to power x minus 2. Lower limit is 2 and the upper limit is 3. And after putting upper and lower limit, we'll get answer is e minus 1. Next example, integration of x minus x cube whole raised to power 1 by 3 divided by x to the power 4 with respect to x, where the lower limit is 1 by 3 and the upper limit is 1. In this question, first we take x cube common in numerator and whole raised to power 1 by 3 is there. Inside we have 1 by x square minus 1 whole raised to power 1 by 3 and whole divided by x to the power 4. After simplification, we will get 1 by x cube multiplied by 1 by x square minus 1 whole raised to power 1 by 3. Lower limit is 1 by 3 and the upper limit is 1. Now put 1 by x square minus 1 equals to t. After differentiating respect to x both sides, we'll get minus 2 by x cube equals to dt by dx. So dx upon x cube replaced by minus dt by 2. And 1 by x square minus 1 replaced by t. When x is 1 by 3, the value of t is 8. And when x is 1, the value of t is 0. So now in place of 1 by 3, we'll write 8. In place of 1, we'll write 0. And after integration and substitution upper and the lower limit, we will get minus 3 by 8 in bracket 0 minus 8 raised to the power 4 by 3. And after simplification, answer is 6. Next example. Integrate sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square respect to x. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x. And whenever we have a question of inverse, we take 1 as second function and solve by parts. So tan inverse x as it is, integration of 1 is x, minus derivative first is 1 upon 1 plus x square, integration second is x, and the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 1. In the second part, derivative denominator is 2x, so divide by 2 and multiply by 2. And we will get, in the second part, minus half log in mod denominator because derivative denominator present in numerator. Now we will put upper limit minus lower limit in both the parts and we will get 2 multiplied by pi by 4 minus half log 2 minus 0 because log 1 is 0. So answer is pi by 2 minus log 2. Next example. Integrate sin x plus cos x whole divided by root sin 2x with respect to x where lower limit is pi by 6 and the upper limit is pi by 3. In this question, we will put sin x minus cos x equals to t. And when we differentiate respect to x, it will give us cos x plus sin x equals to dt by dx. So cos x plus sin x dx equals to dt. Now, it is given that sin x minus cos x is t, squaring both sides. And we will get sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x equals to t square. Sin square plus cos square equals to 1 and 2 sin x cos x equals to sin 2x. So 1 minus t square equals to sin 2x. So replace sin 2x by 1 minus t square. Now again, when we change the limit, when x is pi by 6, t is half minus root 3 by 2. When x is pi by 3, t is root 3 by 2 minus half. Integration of dt upon the root of 1 minus t square is sin inverse t. After putting upper limit and lower limit, we will get sin inverse root 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus sin inverse 1 minus root 3 by 2. In the second part, take minus common. So the answer is twice of sin inverse root 3 minus 1 upon 2. Last example. Integration of sin x cos x divided by sin to the power 4x plus cos h power 4x dx. Lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is pi by 4. In this question, we divide numerator and denominator both by cos to the power 4x and we will get 10x sec square x dx divided by 10 raised to the power 4x plus 1. Now put 10 square x equals to t and when we differentiate respect to x both sides we will get 2 10x sec square x equals to dt by dx. So 10x sec square x dx equals to dt by 2. Replace 10x sec square x dx by 1 by 2 dt and 10 square x by t. Now again change the limit. When x is 0, t is 0. When x is pi by 4, t is 1. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus t square is tan inverse t. Now after putting upper and the lower limit, we will get half of pi by 4 minus 0. So the answer is pi by 8.